Okay, let's now start the car. Okay, first thing we can notice is didn't wear my seat belt, but that's okay. I'm not driving far. There's the tachometer on the left, speedometer on the right, above engine coolant temperature on the left, gas indicator on the right. Then there's a little, it's not an LCD screen, it's just a little data screen that can be used to show different types of information. So when I click here, there's a menu and there's little arrows that allow me to go through all the different types of displays. So I'm going to be pushing on these two things and show you what type of displays you can have. So the types of things that can be displayed. If I press on menu, this is what I see. Press menu again, this is what I see. And then if I cycle through it, there's the navigation. So when you set the GPS, you can see in there an actual the next step that you'll need to do. Turn left, turn right, things like that. There's a timer you can set. That's interesting. Average vehicle speed. This is the instantaneous consumption, fuel consumption. So we can see it better when we drive. Average fuel economy, fuel range, trip 2, trip 1, speed. I personally like to leave it at the speed setting because then I can set the cruise control, let's say at 118 kilometers per hour, and the allowable limit is 120. So I can know exactly where the cruise has been set. So it's just easier to set the cruise with this display on. So that's about it. Okay, yeah. So the funny thing is that if I press menu, yeah, this is confusing actually. So I can cycle through all the things, but when I go in here, press menu, then I see another set of screens. So this is the tire pressure. This is where I can set the units, metric or imperial. Remaining oil life 25%. Yeah, I guess that's about it. If I press menu, then I jump into the other types of displays. So in terms of usability, I've been a user experience designer for 20 years, designing software. You know, this could be improved a little bit. So this menu thing is confusing. Why not just cycle through everything instead of having the concept of a menu that can show nothing? Yeah, this is a little bit confusing, but once you picked the screen that you want, then you can leave it there and not even have to think about it much. Another interesting piece of information that can be displayed here is when you open the rear liftgate, then the display will show that you've opened it, and if you close it, then it will just stop showing it and go back to what it was originally displayed.